Welcome to 8281 Armitage Lane, right here in Barrington within Fairfax Station, Virginia. This is not only a coveted community, but this luxury colonial home, 3 fully finished levels, backs, that's right, backs to your own privacy and the right location within a cul-de-sac.
What are buyers looking for? They are still looking for a 2-story foyer. As soon as you walk into the home, it just feels so large and inviting. Hardwood flooring throughout the main level. The living room has beautiful crown molding, palladium windows, and feeds right into your dining room. Now your dining room overlooks the woods. You can't even see the houses in the spring and summertime. This home has its office or library right off of the front door. You've got crown molding, French doors, and beautiful sunlight that streams through. The heart of the home. This is a gourmet chef's dream. We have can lights, new countertops, built-in sink. My favorite is when we overlook the backyard. And remember, we have the woods behind us, which makes it even more special. We have stainless steel appliances, tall cabinetry, and soft closed drawers. Right off of the breakfast area in the kitchen is your family room. It is fabulous. You've got vaulted ceilings, plantation shutters, a gas fireplace, and access to your deck.
A spacious deck right off the main level. This is the privacy that you want. This is where you'll spend your morning coffees or your evenings together as you look over this wooded area. Not only that, the home sits on just over 1/3 of an acre. It's gonna feel like you're on over 1/2 an acre, especially when the leaves come in.
Welcome to your primary suite, offering a spacious bedroom area and sitting room. Windows on opposing sides allow for a flow of natural light to enter. Throughout the DMV, one thing is common: closet space. This home has a remedy for that, supplying you with over 97 square feet of storage. Your luxury ensuite is daily living at the spa. From granite countertops to custom cabinetry, deep soaking tub to walk-in shower with glass surround, and behind the pocket door, your hidden water closet.
The finished lower level is an open concept that can be designed to your individual needs. This is the bedroom that everyone wants. This is the 5th bedroom within the home that can be used for your family, in-laws, or an au pair suite. You can have it all. This room can transform to your own theater room, personal wine cellar, or simply keep it for additional storage.
To have luxury and convenience and be among nature. That's right, we're standing on one of the walking trails throughout the community where you can go to your own private lake and really enjoy nature.
This colonial home in Fairfax Station has over 4,900 square feet. It is phenomenal. Don't miss out. Please reach out to the Nestled Group for your own private tour.